Hi, I'm Jason. I'm with Team Hybrid Las Vegas. I drive a 2015 Scion FRS that's been heavily modified, mostly built north of Seattle. All the black stuff on the car was built by RAS Automotive. It's supercharged. It's on E85. It's a pretty fun car to drive. I don't think there's anything stock left on the whole car. So the livery was a collaboration with me and at Fracturize on Instagram. He computerized it. We sent the file to a vinyl print place up north of Seattle, and my vinyl wrap, Jeff's Window Tint and Customs, my vinyl wrap sponsor, laid it on the car. He did a great job. The exhaust is a tri-exit, one-of-a-kind exhaust with a remote cutout. A lot of people say it looks like an LFA, but it sounds amazing. It's on air, obviously. The wheels are custom-built, three-piece wedge cranes. And the car was featured in the January 19 issue of Superstreet magazine. And this year was actually picked up as the cover car for the Autozone 2020 calendar. I love being part of Team Hybrid. Since I moved out to Vegas, these guys have welcomed me, and a lot of best of shows, a lot of best of classes. And I don't see anything stopping in the near future.